Hello friends, welcome back to myexplanation.com. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to make a Padlet. First, you can click Make a Padlet in your dashboard of your Padlet account. Then you can choose which format do you want for your Padlet. For example, I'll pick Stream. Then you can just rename the title of your Padlet, or you can just leave it and just you don't rename it and just leave it as it is. You can rename the description and all. You can change the icon or you can just leave it so there will be no icon for your Padlet. Okay, and you can rename your link. For example, hello. And in this one, you cannot use dot, apostrophe, space, and everything else. You can only use numbers, alphabets, and underscore. And then you can change the wallpaper or you can just leave it like this if you want it. You can change the color scheme. So your post will be in dark color or in lighter colors. You can change the font. Let's see here. You can see it. It's now default. You can change it. See? You can see the differences between other fonts. I'm going to pick this one, and you can change the posting setting. Do you want the author of the post name will be displayed above each post, or do you want it to be just the post so there will be no names above the post? You can just setting it, and you can adjust where will your posts appear? Where will your new post appear? Do you want to be it for the first post? Every new post will be the first post, or do you want your new posts to be your last post? And then you can just adjust. So, will your visitor in your Padlet can comment every post or not? I'm going to turn it on. And the reaction of every visitor, you can pick just none, so they cannot give reaction for your posts, or they can like, vote, or give posts stars, or they can grade your posts. And then you can change the content filtering. So you want to require a moderator to approve, and do you want to replace bad words with nice emojis? I recommend you to turn this one on. Okay? And then next, you can just click start posting. Okay. And by the way, you can click share, and you can add members as your collaborators, and you can change the privacy of this Padlet. Do you want it to be secret or public, or do you want to make it private? It's all up to you. And you can change the visitor permission. Do you want they can write? Can they write? Can they read? Can they edit? If you want to give it to public, I recommend you to give it can read, or not they can edit all your posts. And click save. After that, you can just copy link to clipboard or save an image or everything you want and share it with your friend.